Welcome to Model 45 here in Verdanza Homes. Very, very affordable for only 9,700 pesos per month. Magkakaroon ka na ng duplex house. Sarili mo house and lot for only 9,700 per month, no? Ito po yung pagpasok nyo, this is your living area. Then meron tayo ditong kitchen, dining area, then may toilet ka. Nandito yung toilet mo. Yung toilet po natin, complete finish. Ayan, may tiles na siya, may toilet bowl, may lavatory. Wala lang siyang paint. Pero basically, ano na siya, may shower po ito lalagyan. So basically, almost finish na siya, na pintura na lang talaga. Now for the house itself, ito yung kitchen natin, dito po yan, since Model 45 tayo. Smooth cement finish tayo for the flooring and for the walls. And sa likod, yung nabanggit ko, malaki pa siya. Pwede po rin ito palagyan ng bakod, no, saka extension after turnover. Sa taas, ito po yung pinakahagdanan, no, semento siya, and then kahoy. Meron siyang provision for 2 bedrooms. Sabihin, kasya yung dalawa